Welcome back to data analysis class with Power BI. Today we'll be discussing how you can work with an inbuilt dataset in Power BI. Power BI thought it wise that they should include a dataset within Power BI. When you get to this view that you can see, which is the view after you close the pop-up, you'll see where they said try a sample dataset. You click on it and then you could see two options here, but just click on where it says load sample data. Once you click on it, you wait for it. Now the next thing is there are two data. There is a folder which is financial sample with two tables here. So we might decide to select both table or a single table as the case may, of which we'll select both in this case study. Then click on transform data. Now it loads up the Power Query editor. So the Power Query editor here, you can see this is the sheet 1 data table and this is the finance data table. With this, if you click close and apply now, you import it directly into Power BI. This is how to work with an inbuilt dataset with Power BI. Thank you very much and see you in another one.